this part.
What's on your face?
My goggles.
Why do you have those on?
Because I'm busy digging right now. But I'm going to go snow diving.
Oh. How do you do that? What do you do for that?
You just dive into the snow.
Can you show me?
You see how big I broke that piece, Mom?
Yeah.
I'm digging a hole.
What for?
For a trap. So I can trap
What are you going to trap?
some snow germs.
Oh, snow germs. Cool.
They are germs on the snow. Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm shoveling. And we're making some traps. Mom, let's know if we're dead cloud. That'll make him be out here frozen. And we're being kind of sneaky. On to getting the bird feeder up
Yep.
in the backyard.
No, in the front yard.
Where in the backyard?
Over into the bushes over there.
You want to hang it.
I already did.
I mean, where did you hang it?
Over into the bush in front of the door. Hey. Watch it. Haha. Oh. That's not funny.
That didn't do any good. Hey, Mom, the sun's coming out.
Yeah.
Mom, hurry up.
Okay, go ahead.
Put your camera in your pocket.
Okay, throw it hard. Oh.